Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're doing a Cheez Whiz PanZerotti at the pit. And it's real easy to do. Straight from Handzee's pit in Canada. You gotta check this out.
Let's smoke some bacon here now.
Now, like a lot of barbecue, the first thing you want to do is smoke up some bacon. So you take some ordinary pound bacon, put it indirect on your grill, coat it with your favorite rub, BBQ Pit Boys brand, of course, which you can get right down the block at your local Sobeys store. Now, of course, while you're at Sobeys, you can pick up your bacon, your bread dough, some Cheez Whiz, some beans, and everything else you need to make an awesome barbecue. You gotta check this out.
Perfect, just like that. We'll put that on the barbecue. Jalapenos, a little hot sauce, little maple syrup, some Parmesan cheese, some baked beans, about half a can. It'll do. Perfect. And Cheez Whiz. Let's put this together now. I'm gonna mix this up real good. Some of our smoked bacon, and we're gonna mix that into this. Good enough. All right. Perfect. This will do. Oh yeah. Spread her around. Okay. Now we're going to take a little bit of water here. Just moisten the outside of this so it'll stick better. It's about right. I guess we'll find out. Alright, with this cornmeal, and put it down the middle here so they don't cook together. Just a little bit there. Perfect. Alright. Perfect. All right. Let's give this a little shot of garlic butter. Oh, yeah. And go down the side. Perfect. Now I hit it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. But we're going to do it again. One more time. Perfect. Let's get this off.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. And when you're looking for our rubs, head on down to a Sobeys near you. It's gonna be good.
Perfect. Let's get this off.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. And when you're looking for our rubs, head on down to a Sobeys near you. It's gonna be good.